After installing new brakes, a persistent warning light often indicates a few common diagnostic issues that need to be checked systematically. First, visually inspect the brake fluid reservoir to ensure it's at the correct level. Low brake fluid is the most common cause of persistent warning lights. Next, check for any leaks around the master cylinder and along the brake lines. Even small leaks can cause fluid loss and trigger warning lights. Make sure the parking brake is fully released. A malfunctioning parking brake switch can cause false warning signals even when the brake is not engaged. Modern vehicles have advanced electronic brake systems that monitor pad thickness, fluid levels, and system pressure. These systems include wear sensors and ABS modules that may need attention. The ABS control module integrates with the brake warning system. If basic checks don't resolve the warning light, the issue likely lies within these electronic components. This systematic diagnostic approach helps identify whether the brake warning light issue is mechanical or electronic, guiding you toward the appropriate solution method. The simplest method to reset a brake warning light is the manual battery disconnect procedure. This works for many vehicles and requires no special tools. After reconnecting the battery, drive the vehicle at low speed to allow the brake system to recalibrate automatically. This method resolves the issue in about 60% of cases. If the manual method fails, manufacturer-specific procedures are often required. Different car brands have unique reset sequences built into their brake systems. For Ford vehicles from 2020 onwards, hold both the brake pedal and accelerator simultaneously for 20 seconds with the ignition on. Then release both pedals and cycle the ignition off and on 3 times. General Motors vehicles use a parking brake cycling method. Apply and release the parking brake 5 times within 10 seconds, turning the ignition off and on between each cycle. European vehicles and many modern cars require an OBD scanner to reset brake warning lights. This method accesses the vehicle's computer system directly to clear brake-related error codes. Connect the OBD scanner to the diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. Navigate to the brake system or ABS module in the scanner menu. This method is particularly important for European vehicles like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi, which typically require manufacturer-specific diagnostic procedures to reset brake warning systems. When basic methods fail, professional diagnostic equipment may be necessary. This involves accessing the brake control module directly to perform advanced calibration and sensor reset procedures. Professional procedures include accessing the brake control module directly, performing brake fluid bleeding sequences, resetting brake pad wear counters, and calibrating brake pedal position sensors. These advanced methods typically require professional-grade scan tools and specialized knowledge. If the warning light persists after trying manual and OBD methods, consulting a qualified technician is recommended for proper diagnosis and reset.